Hello everyone and welcome to Creative Design and Supply. Today I want to show you how to make a cute little rag bow. I just wanted to show you this. So I have different pieces of scrap fabric. You probably have some laying around. It doesn't matter what size. Now we are going to get a little piece of twine, and that is what we are going to tie ours with. Now I have all these pieces that let me see. So I had one complete square and I cut little pieces, and all you're going to do is just pull them and there's your little rags. So what I like to do is I actually have some pieces right here, and I was just going to cut a few off. All right, and that's going to be a filler, and I always like to start with a filler just to help with the back. And a lot of people like to put those face down. I'm actually going to tie a knot in it just like this one, so I'm not worried about it. So I'm just going to keep mine up. So, and it doesn't matter. There's a few different sizes in here, but you can trim them. They're really cute. Let's see. And you can find little pieces that have, just like the one that I have that has a lot of color in it, and then that way you can just use that one piece. And just go in. And you can fill it up. You can do little ones. I'm going to make a little bit of a bigger bow this time, just to show. Oh. I usually have stuff lined up and how I like to do it, but it doesn't matter. All right. And I have a few little pieces of string. And if you want to, you can lift up and add little string. Ribbon, you can do this with too. I just like showing something if you're being thrifty. And I'm going to grab both sides of this, going on one side to the other. Lift it up just a little bit, and I'm going to tie my first knot, and then I will pull it up. And you can have someone make you one of these. You don't have to go and buy one of these for the sticks. Okay. So now you can fluff it up. You can even go around on the sides, and you can trim up if you like, or move them around a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to take this and I'm going to tie this in the back, because I'm still going to use this little piece for something that I'm doing. So I like to tie a knot in the back. Okay. All right, and then you can get another piece like this, and you want to tie a knot in it. And you want the knot to kind of stay up just a little bit. Okay, and then I am just going to hot glue that around there. And then you have a cute little bow, which you can fluff up a little bit more. And if you don't like the sides, you can actually pull through a little bit. Whoops. And then if some people like to, I will hold it like this, give it a good little trim. Okay, and now I think that my glue gun is hot. Barely. And then I will I don't like to flatten the bows. Okay. And then how cute is that? And that's just with scraps. If you have any questions, comment below and I would be glad to answer them for you. And as always, have a great day.